Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Jeep Gladiator auxiliary battery. First, you'll need to locate the auxiliary battery, which is typically found on the passenger side, often behind the inner fender liner or under the main battery. Next, safely disconnect the terminals, starting with the negative. Then, remove the old battery, clean the area, and prepare for the new one. Finally, install the new battery and reconnect everything properly. Before you begin, ensure your Jeep Gladiator is off and the main battery's negative terminal is disconnected for safety. The auxiliary battery is often accessed by removing part of the inner fender liner on the passenger side. Use a 10mm wrench to loosen the negative terminal on the auxiliary battery first, then carefully remove the positive cable. Finally, unbolt any retaining clamps holding the battery in its tray. Once the old battery is out, take a moment to clean the battery tray and inspect the cable terminals for corrosion. Now, carefully place your new auxiliary battery into the tray, ensuring it's oriented correctly. Secure the battery firmly with its retaining clamp or bolts. When connecting the cables, always attach the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal, to prevent any accidental shorts. After installing the new auxiliary battery, double-check that all connections are tight and secure. If you disconnected the main battery, reconnect its negative terminal now. Start your Jeep Gladiator to confirm that all electrical systems are functioning correctly and any dashboard warnings have cleared. Remember to dispose of your old battery responsibly at a local recycling center or auto parts store.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.